Okay, so I'm back here. I just realized when I was all done, last thing I was done here, I ran out of tape. So I've got this plenum here that I removed already, and there's going to be a bit of a skip between the last time you saw and then this. So anyways, I removed the plenum. There was 4 pretty easy bolts. The one in the back was very difficult. This one in the back was more difficult because it was way to the left here, and I had to. The most difficult one was this one. I'll show you. Oh, and it's this bolt right here, right there. That one I'm popping up, and the reason is because it's an L wrench type bolt for some reason. It's not like the rest of the bolts, and I couldn't get the socket in there to remove it's a star bolt for an Allen wrench. Anyways, I couldn't get it in, so I had to end up putting the socket underneath, getting it in first, and then putting the extension through this little gap that I've got here. The gap's not wide enough to actually fit the socket through, so that was pretty difficult. Anyway, so I got it off. A lot of work, as you can tell. A lot going on here. A lot of rust. That was bolts. A lot of rust there. I'll have to check warpage. I don't know if there will be any, but I'll check it. A lot of inside here, there is a lot of carbon, which I got to remove. So this will be soaked here fairly soon. So, all right. Well. Okay, so today I think I'm just gonna end up cleaning it all because I've got this thing apart. There's no point in not doing that. So I'm gonna take off the intake manifold. I'm gonna take off the covers. Okay, so we got to depressurize the system, which is actually inside the truck. Alright, so that's done. Okay. Gotta be careful with this because these are not really. Even in here. It's not working. I need like 4. Okay, sorry. Anyways, okay. So I got the alternator. Take off the connector here. It's so difficult. Why would they put the clip so far in? Broke that off.
Did you say you were doing better?
No. No.
No.
No. Okay. I ended up took the distributor out so I could get things easier. Yeah, I see things that bolts and okay. So make life a little easier. I can't win on this thing. So I was able to I got the bracket off with holes on the alternator and the smog. So got that off, and I also got the sorry there's a little gap between the last time. I was having a lot of trouble getting this off. A friend of mine came over, and name is Gary, came over and helped me with this. Showed me a couple tricks, so that worked out real well. So anyway, so I got that off, and plus I got the alternator off. So but in the process I lost one of the long bolts. So that's where I'm stuck. So okay, I'll see you tomorrow.